don't buy. You put already. Ayan. Ito pala guys, yung binigay ni sis. Wait, ano po tong prepare ni siya yan. Ito, binigay ni sis Lisel. Kalamansi. Galing ito sa Philippines pa sa lubong niya. Na-miss namin. So, ito na ang pang-lunch namin. Yan, lulutuin siya yan. Nagluluto po ako ng rice. Inom po tayo ng kape. Saan na yung baso ko? Mag-inom muna tayo ng warm water. Okay. Magkain na po kami guys. Tapos na si ate. Show your food. Niluto niya. Tawang-tawa siya. Nagluto ng pansit canton. Doon kami sa labas. Kakain guys.
I told you yesterday it's gonna rain.
Okay my love. It's gonna rain.
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Hello.
Dito kami kakain. Hi mga kiddos. This one kuya throw and go wash.
I need the...
Wait, wipe my. Dito na tayo kakain. Magbukbang po tayo sa labas. Maganda po ang panahon. Ayan, lagay mo dito anak kasi ano.
Get chopsticks, Kian. Three chopsticks. Come on. What's right there? I hope the rest is cooked. Last night it was not cooked. That's why I cooked it.
Sure. How are you?
They're fighting.
Tinututok na magayam ay rupa ko. Natatak ko lang ang rupa. Yan na tayo, mag-egg tayo. Show the mango. May mango din po tayo. Philippine style po.
Mango.
Natin. Kaso pansit canton.
What do you mean
Yan silang pansit canton guys. Egg.
Noodles?
Sure.
What do you mean noodles?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
Pansit canton.
Wash your hands?
Yes.
Show Sky. Go in. Hi, Sky. No, Sky, don't go inside. The people needs to see your cute face. Make sure you put the key outside the door. The key is in the basket.
Wala, kain na po. May mango din.
Why is my chopsticks like this all the time? It's always sitting on them. You're the one who put it. How do you rate my skill of using chopsticks? Bro, this is my rate. Just rate my rate, please. 5. Over 10?
Okay po, kain na tayo. Medyo malamig ata anak. Over ano yung pansit mo. Kain na po. Kain lang. Mukbang po tayo dito sa labas.
Why?
Malamig.
Why?
Malamig?
No.
Yeah.
I just burned my chest.
Where are you going?
Drink water.
Ah. Namiss ko ang pancit canton.
Where's Mabel?
Philippine pancit canton ito.
Where's Mabel?
Philippine noodles.
Where is Mabel, mommy? Mabel, where is
In the
Mabel?
garden naman. Kain po tayo guys. Thank you sis. Lisel sa pasalubong mo na pancit canton. Dito kasi siya daw sa market. Wala. Last na pumunta kami. Ang gamis. Mangga din guys. O, nabili ko nung hinog. Try this one. It's nice. Sweet.
I don't get it. Why do they make the chairs big but the table small?
Parang hindi nyo kami nakikita na nag-mukbang. Naiya si Cheyenne. Naiya nang mag...
You know, not putting anything down there.
Canton.
You're not putting anything down.
After when we go to church, okay?
Last Sunday there wasn't many people.
Don't know.
You think you'll meet them again? It's not even April.
Still March na.
When is
The time
The time only.
they
May trip
skipped
pa tayo dito.
they skipped the Christmas and yesterday it was 11 o'clock, 11:59, right? Instead of 12 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock.
2 more days? 2 more days till we do a prank to each other. Wait, so that makes Tuesday. I want it to be a Wednesday. I prank my friends.
I want to drink coffee.
You can turn it off now, honey.
It's okay.
Let's point it at Quinn and Sky. Yeah, there me now.
Actually, it tastes like lemon.
Yeah.
Because
The calamansi.
Calamansi.
Maaga po kami nakain.
That's brunch.
Late po ako nagising kasi nag-bake po ako. Kain po. Pansit canton, shrimp, itlog, mangga,
And us.
Filipino vibes. Bunso oh.
Chopstick vibes.
Okay, kain po. Ayan, tapos na po kami. Pagkainin natin sila ng mango. Good? It's like the one in Philippines. Yala, it the one in your mouth. Yala, it's falling now.
Put it back. I'm eating.
Yan. Kain ng mangga. Tapos na kami.
I'm really full. My tummy is about to explode.
Yala ta.
Can I at least eat one?
One more.
I'm still eating.
Faster.
I'm full.
No,
Okay,
yan.
Carlos, thank you.
You're not full. Hindi pa ako tapos.
But I'm full. You don't see my tummy, mommy.
Yeah.
I'll give it an 8.5.
Ay, thank you Lord. Tapos na po kami nagkain. Thank you so much. Maghugas si Cheyenne. Siyang nagluto, siya ang naghugas. And inutok ate shrimp ko. Iyan, put this one in the ref. Help ate.
In the ref?
In the ref.
Okay.
Yarab.
You will stay outside, mommy?
Siya,
You
Habibe?
will stay outside? You want
Yeah.
to play?
Yeah, I stay sure here. Kain tayo ng mangga. Pasensya, ganito ako umupo kasi na-miss ko yung ganitong vibes. Yung parang nasa Pilipinas ka sa province ba. Uupo and kakain ng mangga na matamis. Itong buto, i-ano ko siya, itago. Ayun, tawag nito.
Carlos,
Yes,
Kian will take that one.
patubuin ko.
You want that?
Keep it.
The eggs, no?
Yeah, put the plate.
Kian will take the pig.
Mm.
Kian take the pig.
Alam nyo?
There's
Yung native na mangga, ganito, pag hinog na. Ay, napot mama, thank you. And come back here, sit here.
But my tongue is about to explode, so I can't eat anymore. Can I remove this?
Ipit mo mo, boy. Need the camera. Sarap.
Bad then behind it. Oh wait. Oh, that was cable car.
Who's gonna be white? Who's gonna be black?
What color do you want, mommy? Tama, finish this one. That's checkers. Kia knows how to play checkers.
I know how to play
Haida,
checkers
this
and
one.
I know how to. No, Haida, they call it mahbuse.
Okay, whatever.
It is tricky but easy.
No, wait, I'll put the chest.
It's tricky but easy.
Chest. Okay, I will give Mommy the white one so she can start if she wants to. Mommy knows how to place the header, right? Yo, Kian, it's ripped.
I know. It's okay.
That's it. We can't stay too low.
I kind of ripped it by accident yesterday.
Does Mommy know how to place the chest? The
Yes,
pieces?
she knows. She knows. I'm gonna help her.
No, let Mommy do that.
You should always be.
Yeah, you're supposed to feed the dog, by the way. No, let Mommy do it.
There. We got a butter Rooster placing the bone.
Okay. So, yeah.
Hi guys. Mag-chess daw kami ni Cheyenne. Banding mother and daughter.
You start teaching the white one.
Okay. Chess.
Your turn.
Me, how you will eat? You are here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's Ed.
Ito maganda para mahasa yung utak. You make?
Yeah.
Yung utak nila. You will eat my... No. I wait.
No, you cannot. You cannot.
Wala. You need to think of it.
Hey, you think you remember?